Hold tight, the big brother on his birthday. Booker, Pastor David, Books. Yeah. A few days ago, I did it from little brother. Today's my birthday of my big brother. It's funny, because all three of us were born in summer. It must be planned by my father and mother. Yeah, big bro, pastor, mentor, teacher. Yeah, that's him, sharing the word of God. This guy is a preacher. Father, husband, yes, he's married. Firstborn, so he lifted, we didn't carry. If you know, you know, ask any firstborn. Everyone looking up, ask any first son. He's setting the example, that's the truth. Keep up the good work, bro, God bless you. His nickname for me is Beaks. Let me add this, he's got a couple of kids, niece, nephew, everyone kinda cute. Yo, old type my big sister riding this Sanju. Yeah, have a nice day, bro, God bless you.